Welcome back. So this is another Carnegie Mellon activity. This one is bunny with a spot. And we're working with functions, and we're kind of just utilizing the function to make it easier for us in our coding. So we can see here that we have a bunny, and we have its eye is pink for the solution. Currently ours, his ears here are black. Okay. And so what we need to do is take, because if you look at the function, so it's calling on draw bunny, and this is pink. Okay, what we need to do then is, place your code here. Okay, so we have to fix your code here. So change the ears below to use, is that the only thing we have? Oh, and then we got this too. Okay, so we got to fix the ears, and we got to apply that there. Okay, so to fix the ears, that's not a problem. So if we look at this, these two ovals, you have these two. These are seashell, wheat, start at bottom. So that's this here. This is the two ovals that go here. So what we can do is now you could just go ahead and say fill in, and use pink. But we already have this right here as part of our function. We're calling the color pink to this function. So we could use this. So essentially what we're going to do is we're just going to say we want to fill this in, and we want it to be bunny color. Now you got to make sure you spell everything correctly here, but if we did that, what it's going to do, wherever we see bunny color, it's going to use this parameter and pull this pink that we have here. And basically in the background, the code realizes that sees that there's pink here, and then it makes the color pink. So we run this, there's the pink. Okay, so we can do the same exact thing for the other oval. And I'm just going to copy it and do just that. And now, there you go. We got those two. So then the other part down here is this. Okay, so these are the eyes. I feel like we need to have this first, right? Okay. So we're going to take this. There's a bunch of them here. So we can see this is pink, white right here. There's pink. So we're going to do an oval right here. We want it to be before the rest of the eye stuff. Make sure you tab over. If you don't tab over, it can be, sometimes, depending on the programming language, can really interfere with this, and it won't see it as part of your function. So you have your function there, your draw bunny function. And we're going to say 250, 270. And that is 60, 100. And we're just going to fill that in with bunny color. Okay. There you go. So all that did was just create a new oval here. We just had to get the sizing right and just pull the color again that we have right here. Okay. All right. Kind of a shorter one today. Hopefully this helps you with your coding. Good luck.